Are you looking for the best pressure washers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best pressure washers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xtream Electric Pressure Washer. This electric pressure washer is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced pressure cleaners alike, thanks to its straightforward assembly, lightweight build and intuitive design. It comes with 4 different nozzles that are appropriately labeled and easy to swap out for different projects, whether you're breaking down gunk between pavers or rinsing off patio furniture. This pressure washer comes with a PSI of 2,200, which is on the lower end of the spectrum, but experts like Elliot Hood of Flomo's Lawn and Pressure Washing say that's more than enough. For most homeowners that are looking to use their pressure washer for everyday tasks like cleaning patios and siding, this washer offers plenty of power to get the job done. Plus, this unit offers an excellent power-to-weight ratio, which means it delivers a strong output without being too heavy to carry around. It also comes with 2 included cleaning brushes, and it features a 34-inch extension cord for convenient maneuverability. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer. If you're in the market for a gas pressure washer that can deliver extra power for industrial, heavy-duty cleaning jobs, the Simpson Cleaning PowerShot is a top pick. It comes with 5 stainless steel nozzle tips and an ergonomic spray gun to tackle a variety of tasks, and it boasts a high PSI for an ultra-powerful output. This unit also features a Honda engine, which Bradley recommends for optimal durability and reliability over time. Gas pressure washers have the benefit of not being restricted by the length of an electric cord, plus they typically boast extra power. However, they come with the downside of being louder, heavier and requiring more upkeep via fuel and oil changes. Luckily, this unit comes with a supply of engine oil and siphon tube for easy installation. One major downside with this unit is that it doesn't include an onboard detergent tank. This means you have to use an unattached bottle for soap, which could yield messy results. Number 3. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. For anyone in the market for a reliable pressure washer that won't break the bank, this Craftsman unit delivers a lot of features at a great value. It includes an integrated soap tank for convenient cleaning, 3 nozzle attachments and onboard storage to keep everything organized. Despite its low price and lightweight build, this unit still offers 1,900 psi. Although this is on the lower end of the recommended range, it's still powerful enough to handle everyday outdoor cleaning tasks. It may not be equipped to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks like blasting moldy bricks or concrete, but it's a great pick for most homes looking for regular outdoor maintenance. Number 4. Greenworks Pro Brushless 3000 psi Electric Pressure Washer. This powerful pressure washer boasts 3000 psi and 2.0 GPM, which grants it the highest cleaning power of any electric unit on this list. It also makes it well suited to tackling virtually any outdoor cleaning task, from transforming dirty patios and brick steps to gently cleaning patio furniture and vehicles. Its included 5 nozzles expand its versatility, with 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles to handle any outdoor project. This pressure washer offers other convenient features, like an onboard soap tank, 35-foot power cord, and 10-inch wheels that will never go flat. It also comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind with the investment. The only downside with this powerful unit is its accompanying weight and noise, which some owners have reported are higher than average.